50 million Americans over 60 are walking around with a hidden problem, a slow, backed-up colon that quietly increases inflammation. But here's the strange part. In places like Japan, people in their 70s and beyond maintain smooth, predictable digestion every single day. No harsh cleanses, no detox trends. So what are they doing differently? Because the real issue isn't just food, it's something most people have never heard of. Peristalsis, the wave-like motion that moves waste through your body. And after age 50, it slows down significantly. When that happens, waste lingers, toxins build, and inflammation spreads silently. But here's the truth most people don't hear. Fiber and water alone don't fix this. They help symptoms, but they don't restart the engine. And that's where things change. Because certain daily habits can actually reactivate this process naturally. And some of them work within minutes. Let's start from the least powerful and build up to the one that changes everything. Habit 8. This one is simple, and most people already do it, but incorrectly. Seiza posture with deep belly breathing. Sitting upright, breathing deeply into the abdomen creates gentle pressure on the colon. It activates the vagus nerve, the connection between your brain and your gut. But here's the catch. It helps maintain movement, not fully restore it. And the next habit goes a step further. Habit 7. Ginger with warm green tea. It stimulates digestion early in the process, but by the time it reaches the colon, much of the effect is already gone. Still helpful, but slow to show results. And now we move into something more direct. Habit 6. Abdominal self-massage. Tracing the path of the colon, right side, across, down the left. This physically helps move things along. But here's the important part. It must be gentle, because too much pressure can do more harm than good. And now comes a habit most people completely overlook. Habit 5. Chewing. Not casually, but thoroughly. Around 30 times per bite. Because digestion doesn't start in the stomach, it starts in your mouth. Better breakdown means less waste reaching the colon, less fermentation, less buildup. And the effect? It can start within hours. But now we're getting into real transformation. Habit 4. Warm miso broth with cabbage and ginger. This isn't just food, it's repair. It helps rebuild the gut lining, restore healthy bacteria, and reduce inflammation. But there's one detail that matters most: temperature. Too hot, and you destroy the beneficial bacteria. Warm, not boiling. And now we reach one of the most powerful triggers. Habit 3. Warm water with rice vinegar and raw honey. This activates something called the gastrocolic reflex, a signal that tells your colon it's time to move. And over time, this simple habit can dramatically improve regularity. But the next habit is even more impactful, and it doesn't involve adding anything new. Habit 2. Eating less. Stopping at about 80% full. This keeps your digestive system in rhythm instead of overwhelming it. And when paired with warm barley tea, it improves circulation in the gut. But now, we get to the one habit that changes everything. Habit 1. Timed warm water. Not random, not occasional, but structured. At specific times, in specific amounts, this hydrates the colon, stimulates movement, and restores rhythm. Add lemon for bile stimulation, a pinch of mineral salt for proper hydration, and within days, things start moving again. Within weeks, the difference becomes undeniable. But here's what most people do wrong. They drink water too cold, or at the wrong times. And it cancels the effect. Warmth matters. Timing matters. Consistency matters. So here's the real takeaway. Your digestion isn't broken. Your habits are. Fix the habits, and the system begins to correct itself. Because the body already knows what to do, it just needs the right signals. So the question is, which one of these habits will you start today?